Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with a paired, unlocked Apple Watch and a nearby iPhone. Open camera on the iPhone and then tap camera remote on the watch. This syncs the viewfinder to the watch. Once done, hold the watch screen steady and face the iPhone camera at the watch's QR area. Make sure ambient light is adequate and the watch screen isn't smudged. These small steps let the camera focus quickly and start scanning right away. Now focus on alignment. Center the QR code in the iPhone's viewfinder grid and keep the device 6 to 12 inches away. Move slightly if the camera struggles to autofocus. Reflections from glass or glossy bands often prevent recognition. Make sure the watch screen brightness is moderate. Too low and details disappear. Too high and glare forms. The iPhone should detect the QR automatically and show a notification. When the iPhone recognizes the QR, tap the notification to open the link or prompt. That completes the scan. If nothing appears, increase the watch brightness, wipe the screen, and retry. Smudges and low contrast are common culprits. If detection still fails, take a screenshot of the watch, then crop and enlarge on the iPhone to scan the image, or use the magnifier app to boost contrast. Make sure Bluetooth and camera permissions are enabled if the remote view refuses to connect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.